What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is an exciting one. It's DriftX. It's finally here. I'm so excited. I've been out in the car probably for a couple of laps just to see how it's going, and it's dialed in. I need to get some brake fluid and a little brake bleeder thingy to braid my hydro because it's not working at all and it sucks without it. So going down to Super Cheap right now to get some stuff. I need a gauge to check my tire pressures, things like that. Then we're going to come back and chuck the GoPro on the car, and we're going to go out on track and get some mad drifting out, do some tandeming, and it's just going to be awesome. Oh guys, so I was out shredding it on the Thunderdome and I split my hose really badly. So I'm going to go back down to Super Cheap again, buy a new hose, and then by the time I come back my GoPro should be charged and I'll be able to get some footage for you guys. Just got back from Super Cheap, went and got myself a Toyota Land Cruiser radiator pipe. So all I need is the bend, so I'm just going to cut it with a Stanley knife, whack it in there. My GoPro is charged, so now I can put it on and we're going to go absolutely shred. Just like that, guys. New radiator hose. And I forgot to put that on, so that's fuck up.
I don't know why. But by the way,
lunchtime on the back of my ute. Yeah, nice. Gotta save that money. Guys, it's time to go back out on track. I've got my GoPro up on with my new mount that I made over the weekend. It's one of those cool wind vainy spinny things. So I'm hoping that works a treat. It's going to cut awesome footage for you guys. So yeah, let's go. So I was in the Thunderdome and I found the wall, so you guys can stop looking because I bent the whole rear end right across and now my boot doesn't close, which kind of sucks. But I'm going to grind this little corner out and across here and we'll make it close. Like I brought one. So I hit the wall a little bit hard and I absolutely annihilated this rim. It's definitely seen better days. The rest of it is scattered all over the track and the crowd, and they absolutely loved it. So I'm gonna fix that in the morning. That's yeah, tomorrow's job. So I don't know what else I'm going to be doing tonight. I think we're just gonna go home, have a shower, and then just come back with a fresh mindset tomorrow and start it all over again. Alrighty guys, so we're back for day 2. It is a nice morning, the sun is out and it's just gonna be an awesome day. I got good sleep last night, so I'm a bit more happy. Last night I absolutely ruined this rim. So I got the tyre off that one, put onto this rim, because they were basically brand new. So I can go out and shred now. I'm gonna chuck the GoPro on the car and see if I can get some good shots of me tapping the wall in the bowl. Guys, that's what happened. I come around, my front end didn't grip up and I just kind of sent me straight into the wall and smacked the front, but we're all good. Get the LS car going next year, so I'm not too bummed about it. We're okay, she's alright. So that's all the main thing is. Yeah, we'll go have a better look at it in the pits.
Get them to check the wrist.
Just think, people with bigger buckets and better talent have hit the same bit of concrete.
I know. Got the car back loaded on the trailer. We had to get a forklift, as you've seen, to lift the back up because it wasn't tracking right, because obviously the rear wheel is super bent. I actually got under, took the wheel off and had a look, and the rear control arm is actually broken away from the hub, and I bent the camber arm. So it's going to be a mission to get it off the trailer, but for now it's on there and I can get home, and that's all that matters.